Here at Lloyd Range Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover 3.0 D350 First Edition, finished in Santorini Black metallic paint, with 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include digital LED headlights, front fog lights, deployable side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. Entering now beneath the powered gesture tailgate, we can see the tailgate event suite. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof with the leather headlining, and we have the Perlino leather seats with electric armrest, and on the back of the front seats we have the rear entertainment screens. Entering into the front of the cabin now, you can see the memory seat buttons on the door card as we turn into view the heated and cooled massage front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button as well, chrome gear shift paddles, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, the head-up display on the dash, and the hands-free mobile controls on the steering wheel again. On this touch display we can see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have the seat controls for both the front and rear rows, and we have the massage controls with a variety of massage modes available. We have the 3D surround camera display, the climate controls, as well as the gear selector and terrain response dial. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.